Today we are here at New Hanover. So there was a lot of irregularities that was happening here. And we found people outside, unlawful strike, illegal strike actually, because they were getting fed up about the company. So now we called the police to come and intervene. Fortunately, there is an MK leaders here who were taking this matter into their hand to ensure that people are getting what they deserve. So with the National Chief Admin, Nozulu, that side, I've got we are accompanied as well with the national organizer and the rest of these are the employers. So today they said they are going to pay the people within 3 hours. Can you say something, Willie?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Yeah, we're going to sort out the payment issue. As soon as I leave you, I'm going back to your office.
Let's apologize to the workers.
There's been mistakes to the payments. Management will address those issues, and it shouldn't be allowed that we make mistakes on the payments. And people entitled to the payments, and we'll sort that out today. So as soon as I get back to head office, we'll sort those payments out. And other issues have been raised. We'll address those issues as we go along. We need a working relationship with our employees and with the union. We need to make certain that this work operates properly and as according to all the laws of the country. Thank you.
Thank you, police.
Okay, I would like to say I noticed that the meeting went well. There was no misunderstanding to each other. I think from now going forward, everything will be fine as we spoke.
Thanks.
Okay, thank you. From Sanfosao, we are quite pleased with the manner in which the meeting took place. But I just need to, for the purpose of record, indicate that for the first time the employees here are going to have a contract of employment, and also the pay rate is going to be in line with the prescriptions of the Act. We are going to be coming here to monitor and assist the employer to ensure that everything is in line. But at the same time, we're going to be engaging with our members who are workers here as a majority union. We will make sure that we are in full compliance and our members are fully educated and empowered. Sitiketi na kwaza msebenzi.
Okay, Mkondo.
No, sithi asibonga kakhulu, sibonga nje ukuthi bakwazile ukuthi i-union ifike, ama-leaders omkhonto efike bese ukuthi i-company ikwazi ukubona amaphutha ayo. Nesithemba ukuthi abasebenzi kusuka namhlanje ngeke besaphinde behlukumezeke ngoba bese kuyisikhathi behlukumezeka. Sesiyathemba ukuthi manje ngokusondela kweSanfosao so sebezokwazi abasebenzi ukuthi besizakala nokuthi bezokwazi ukuba nomkhulumeli wabo nokusenza ngesibe nethemba lokuthi ke usize emahlweni abo lophela namhlanje bazoyithola imali ababe beyikoleta. Siyabonga.
Waza mkhonto gwaza. Waza mkhonto gwaza.